Welcome to our journey into the world of cybersecurity. In an era where our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, understanding cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's essential. So, what is cybersecurity? It is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. With cyber threats multiplying daily, the potential for data breaches, financial loss, and reputation damage is higher than ever. By understanding cybersecurity, we equip ourselves with the knowledge to protect our digital lives. Get ready to dive deep into the threats lurking in the digital shadows and the strategies to guard against them. From cyber threats to practical solutions, we're here to guide you through it all. Stay tuned. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the importance of cybersecurity grows exponentially. Every day, we rely more on digital devices and the internet for our personal and professional lives. With this surge in digitalization comes a parallel rise in cyber threats. Hackers and cybercriminals are continuously evolving, finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. Protecting our data, finances, and privacy hinges on our ability to stay one step ahead of these threats. In this segment, we explore why cybersecurity is more crucial than ever and unveil the growing challenges we face. Stay with us as we delve into the pressing world of cybersecurity. In today's digital age, cyber threats are an ever present danger, lurking around every corner of the internet. To protect ourselves, we must understand the various forms these threats can take. One of the most common threats is malware, malicious software designed to infiltrate your computer system and cause damage. It can come in many disguises, from seemingly innocuous email attachments to infected websites. Phishing is another widespread threat. This deceptive practice involves tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information, like passwords or credit card numbers, typically through fake emails or websites that appear trustworthy. Phishing attacks can have devastating consequences, leading to identity theft or financial loss. Ransomware, a particularly menacing type of malware, holds your data hostage by encrypting it and demanding payment for its release. Social engineering, one of the more insidious tactics, exploits human psychology rather than technical vulnerabilities. Attackers manipulate people into divulging confidential information or performing certain actions, often by preying on trust or fear. Understanding these threats is the first step in defending against them. By recognizing malware, phishing, ransomware, and social engineering signs, we can better prepare ourselves to combat these dangers. Your vigilance and knowledge are your best defense in this digital battlefield. Let's dive deeper into a real-life case study to see the impact firsthand. Let's dive into a real-life cyber attack case to understand the devastating impact it can have. This attack, orchestrated by an unidentified hacker group, targeted a small business that prided itself on innovation and customer service. Overnight, their systems were compromised, leading to a significant data breach. Sensitive customer information, including personal data and financial records, was stolen. The immediate fallout was catastrophic. The business lost customer trust, faced severe financial penalties, and experienced operational downtime that crippled their ability to function. The attackers exploited a vulnerability in the company's outdated software, infiltrating the network and escalating their access without detection. Poor cybersecurity practices, such as weak passwords and lack of two-factor authentication, made it easier for the attackers to navigate the system. Additionally, insufficient employee training meant that phishing attempts and other malicious activities went unnoticed. This incident highlights the significant weaknesses that can be exploited in any organization and underscores the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. As we move forward, you'll see how critical it is to learn from these mistakes and fortify your defenses against potential threats. In this segment, we delve into a detailed analysis of the cyber attack that wreaked havoc on our case study subject. The attack was meticulously executed by exploiting specific weaknesses within the system. These vulnerabilities, often overlooked, provided a gateway for cybercriminals to infiltrate the network. First, let's understand how the attack was carried out. The perpetrators identified and took advantage of outdated software, weak password protocols, and lack of two-factor authentication. By planting malware through a seemingly innocent email, they gained unauthorized access to critical systems. This initial breach allowed them to move laterally within the network, escalating their privileges and compromising sensitive data. The absence of regular software updates created multiple security holes, which acted as open doors for the attackers. Furthermore, reliance on simplistic passwords made it easier for the intruders to crack the system. These lapses highlight the importance of adhering to best cybersecurity practices. The consequences of this attack were far-reaching. The victim experienced significant financial losses, data breaches, and a tarnished reputation. Customer trust was severely undermined, resulting in a loss of business and substantial recovery costs. This attack also exposed the company's vulnerabilities, leading to increased scrutiny from regulatory bodies. Understanding these elements sheds light on the critical nature of robust cybersecurity measures. Stay tuned as we uncover the next layer of our comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. In today's digital landscape, the urgency of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. Cyber attacks are not just increasing in number, but also in their sophistication. Every day, we see more advanced and persistent threats that put businesses, personal data, and critical systems at risk. The complexity of these threats requires a proactive and dynamic approach to protection. Without such vigilance, the consequences can be severe, impacting everything from financial assets to personal privacy. As we move forward, you'll see how you can better protect yourself and your business from these ever-evolving threats. In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital world, staying ahead of cyber threats is more critical than ever. Here are some best practices to protect yourself and your business from cyber threats. First, use strong passwords. A strong password consists of a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. It's your first line of defense against hackers. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring not just your password, but also something only you have access to, like a code sent to your phone. By doing this, even if your password is compromised, your account remains secure. Regular software updates are another crucial step. Software developers constantly release updates to patch vulnerabilities and security gaps. Keeping your software current protects your system from known threats. Lastly, educate yourself and your team. Cybersecurity is not just the responsibility of IT professionals. Everyone in your organization should be aware of the risks and trained to recognize potential threats. Regular training sessions and keeping up to date with the latest cybersecurity trends can make a significant difference. Implementing these best practices can create a robust defense against cyber attacks and ensure your data remains safe. As we move forward, let's delve deeper into each of these solutions to understand how to apply them effectively. Stay tuned for practical examples and step-by-step guides. Cybersecurity starts with each one of us. So take the initiative today to protect what matters most. Strong passwords are your first line of defense in the digital world. A robust password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, making it difficult for hackers to crack. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, think of creative phrases or use a random string of characters. But remembering complex passwords for multiple accounts can be challenging. This is where password managers come in, providing a secure way to store and manage your passwords. These tools can generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, taking the burden off your memory while enhancing your security. As we move forward, you'll see how two-factor authentication can add another layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, offers an additional layer of protection for your accounts. Instead of just a password, it requires a second form of identification, often a code sent to your phone or email. This extra step significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access. To enable 2FA, start by heading to your account's security settings. Look for the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts. Typically, you'll need to link your phone number or an authentication app. By adding this safeguard, you're making it exponentially harder for cybercriminals to breach your data. Stay tuned to learn how regular software updates play a vital role in your protection strategy. Regular software updates play an essential role in ensuring your system remains secure. Each update patches existing vulnerabilities and helps protect against new threats. Ignoring updates leaves your system open to potential attacks, making you an easy target for cybercriminals. But there's an easy fix. Automate your software updates. By enabling automatic updates, you ensure the latest security patches are installed without having to remember to do it yourself. This simple step can significantly enhance your protection with minimal effort. Next, we'll dive into continuous education and training, another key element in maintaining a robust security posture. Education is the cornerstone of a strong cybersecurity strategy. By regularly training and educating yourself and your team, you can stay ahead of the latest cyber threats. Cybersecurity training programs and resources offer invaluable insights into identifying and mitigating potential risks. Continuous education ensures everyone remains vigilant and informed, significantly reducing the chances of falling victim to cyber attacks. From online courses to workshops, there are countless ways to stay updated. Keeping your team educated empowers them to recognize and respond effectively to threats. As we move forward, you'll see further advanced protection measures that can add another layer of security to your digital defenses. In our digital age, protecting your online presence requires more than just basic measures. To truly safeguard your data, consider employing advanced tools and techniques. Firewalls are your first line of defense, acting as barriers that prevent unauthorized access to your systems. Coupled with encryption, which converts your sensitive information into code that authorized parties can only decipher, you add a critical layer of protection against potential breaches. And then there's the power of VPNs, virtual private networks. By masking your IP address and encrypting your internet connection, VPNs ensure that your online activities remain private and secure, even on public networks. These measures might seem technical, but their implementation is crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of your data. With firewalls blocking unwanted traffic, encryption securing your communications, and VPNs providing anonymity, you're well equipped to fortify your digital fortress. As we move forward, you'll see more practical steps and tools to keep your online environment safe from evolving threats, bringing us closer to a secure digital future. In this segment, we're diving into a real-world success story, a case where robust cybersecurity measures thwarted a significant attack. We're about to see how a resilient defense strategy stood strong against a cyber threat that could have caused immense damage. First, let's get an overview of the defense. The organization, understanding the gravity of potential cyber threats, had laid out comprehensive measures designed to tackle various attack vectors. This included deploying advanced firewalls, employing continuous network monitoring, and maintaining a strict protocol of regular updates and patches. Now, to the steps taken during the attack. As the threat was identified, the immediate response team acted swiftly to isolate the affected systems, preventing the spread of the malware. Building on pre-planned incident response strategies, they were able to determine the nature of the attack swiftly. Effective communication between internal teams and external experts ensured that no stone was left unturned in neutralizing the threat. What followed was a steadfast resolve to strengthen their defense even further. The team analyzed every detail of the attempted breach, identifying and eliminating vulnerabilities. Proactive measures went beyond mere recovery. They involved enhancing intrusion detection systems and reinforcing user education on recognizing phishing attempts. The outcome of these swift, decisive actions? The organization not only averted a potential disaster, but also emerged stronger. Their data remained secure, operations continued with minimal disruption, and most importantly, they fortified their cyber defenses against future threats. The successful defense became a testament to the importance of preparedness, vigilance, and resilience in cybersecurity. As we venture into the future, the landscape of cybersecurity continues to evolve. New technologies are emerging, promising to bolster our defenses against increasingly sophisticated threats. However, with these advancements come new risks, challenging us to stay vigilant and innovative. From AI-driven cyber attacks to quantum computing, the potential threats we face are both varied and unpredictable. It is imperative that we adopt cutting-edge strategies and tools to anticipate and counter these dangers. Staying ahead in the race against cyber threats will require not just robust technology, but also a proactive mindset and continuous learning. The future of cybersecurity is a dynamic battlefield where readiness and resilience will be our greatest allies. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the critical insights shared. Cybersecurity is not just an IT concern, it's everyone's responsibility. We've learned about the importance of strong passwords, the necessity of two-factor authentication, and the value of regular software updates. We've also explored real-life examples that underline the urgency of these measures. Now, it's time to act. Protect yourself and your business by implementing these best practices today. The threats are real, but by being proactive, we can defend against them. Stay informed, stay protected, and make cybersecurity a priority. Thank you for joining us.